episode 14. Ogaderigema, it shall be well with you. Amachuku gadigide nandugi vombe bigebi. The grace of God shall be in your life forever. Afambu Chidebere. In this lesson, we are going to learn about Nuku Meme, great celebration. Easter Chidum, meaning Ahuhu na Onwu Jesu, suffering and death of Jesus. Olili Jesu, the burial of Jesus. Mbelite Nowu Jesu, resurrection of Jesus. Obe Cross, Palm Sunday, Uka Igu. Inye Inaya Donkey, Good Friday, Friday Oma, Holy Saturday, Saturday di Nso, Uka na Bia pu Uka Igu. Next Sunday is Palm Sunday. Imeela Kodi Jisike Nasu Igbo. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.